Hi, good morning, students. It's me, Harsnath Sukla, and today I am going to revise the chapter Matrix. This is the revision lecture 8 for class 12th. In last lecture, we had proper types of matrices, equality of matrices, and also some formation of matrices. So let us we have to see some questions based on this. Okay, so in this lecture, first of all, we have to see this question. We have to form 3 cross 4 matrices where aij is given as, that means we have to form 3 cross 4 matrix with element a is equal to aij, and aij is nothing but 1 upon 2 minus of 3I cap plus j cap. So we have to see first of all what are the elements of that matrices. A is equal to a11 a12, because 3 cross 4 means there are 12 elements with 3 rows and 4 columns. So first of all, a11 a12 we have to form this matrix as such, and then one by one we have to find the each element of this matrix and then put in that matrix, we get the uh, formed matrix. So first a11 is 1 by 2 minus of 3 into 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 minus of 3 plus 1, 1 by 2 minus of 2 mod of minus 2 is 2. So a12 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 and equal to 1 by 2. So a13 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 0. So in this manner we have to find each element of this matrix and get the solution. Okay. Now next one is next question is find the value of A, B, C and D from form the find the value of A, B, C, D and form the equation. The given matrix is 2A minus B, A minus B, A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B and 3C plus D, and this is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Okay, so we have to find the value of A, B, C, D. So you use the equality of matrix. This is of order 2 cross 2, this is of order 2 cross 2, and corresponding elements are equal. That's why A minus B is equal to minus 1, 2A plus C is equal to 5, 2A minus B is equal to 0, and 3C plus D is equal to 13. So by this we have from 1, 3, 2, 4, from equation number 3, 2A is equal to B. So put this value in equation number 1 at the place of B, 2A, this is minus 1. So minus A is equal to minus 1. So A will be 1. Similarly, we put the value of A in equation 2, we get the value of C. So please try. Okay, and what is the value of C? Maybe you find, if you put the value of A is equal to 1 in the equation number 2, we will get 2 into 1 plus C is equal to 5. So C is equal to what? 5 minus 2A, and then what? C is equal to 5 minus 2. That means what? That means C is equal to 3. And put the value of C in equation number 4. We get the value of D, ds, because C is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 plus D, 9. So D is equal to 4. So in this manner you have to find the value of A, B, C and D. Now let us begin next question. Next question is, see, if A is equal to Aij M cross N, this is the very important question. If A is equal to Aij M cross N is a square matrix, if what? M is greater than N, M is less than N, M is equal to N, and fourth, none of these. So obviously you know that from the definition of square matrices, if given matrix of order M cross N be a square matrix, then the number of rows and columns must be equal. That means M is equal to N. Now next one, the number of possible order of matrix 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 and 1. This is the very important question. This already comes in board. So listen. Question is, the number of all possible matrices, the number of all possible matrices, of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 and 1, with each entry 0 and 1. So you know 3 cross 3 elements has 9, order 3 cross 3 matrix has 9 elements. Okay, this particular matrix has 9 elements and entries are 0 and 1. So each entries are either 0 or 1. So each possible place can be filled by two ways. Each possible place can be filled by two ways. So this can be filled by two ways, this can be filled by two ways, 2, 2, 2. So by principle of combination and permutation in the fundamental principle of counting, we have 2 into 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 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the possible way, that is 512 ways to find that particular matrix. Okay, because this is very easy. So 512 possible ways, matrices that we have to form, because each place can be filled by two ways. Now we are going to discuss the operation on matrices. Now operation on matrices. Operation on matrices. The first one is addition of matrices. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross n, then a plus b is equal to aij m cross n plus bij m cross n, then aij plus bij m cross n. So this is the summation of two matrices. So you have to see in this particular sum of two matrices, we need the order of both the matrices are same. If order of both the matrices are not same, then sum of matrices are not possible. So properties of addition of matrices. Is the addition of matrices is commutative? Yes, obviously the addition of matrices are commutative because a plus b must be equal to b plus a. Okay, so we have to give some example. A is equal to root 3. Example number 6 you have to do yourself because it is very easy. Now multiplication of matrix by a scalar. This is also an important thing. Matrix multiplication by scalar. We have given multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So let A is equal to aij m cross n be a matrix. Then k into a, that means k is equal to aij m cross n is equal to k aij m cross n, where k is a scalar. So we have to see here, if we multiply a scalar by a matrix, then this particular scalar is multiplied in each and every element of that particular matrix. For example, if A is equal to 1 2 3 2 and then 2A is equal to 2 4 6 4, so you have to multiply each and every element of a matrix by scalar 2, then we get 2A. Okay, so next one. Difference of matrices. The same manner, if A and B are two matrices and then their difference is defined as A minus B is equal to Aij minus Bij. In this also order of the matrix must be same. And properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. This is Ka plus B. This is important. Properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. K times A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. Kab, then this is Kab. K plus L. K and L are scalar. A is equal to Ka plus Le. Now we have to see some questions. If A is equal to A is equal to 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6, B is equal to 2 minus 2 4 2 minus 5 1. Okay, then find 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. Then find the matrix X such that, then find the matrix X such that 2a plus 3x 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. Now see here, 3x is nothing but 5b minus 2a and x is nothing but 1 upon 3 5b minus 2a. Okay, so this is 1 by 3 5b, 5 times b, that means each element of b should be multiplied by 5. We will get 10 minus 10 for 20, 10, 25, 5 and minus 2 times a, that means multiplied by 2 multiplied by each element of a, this is 16, 0, 8, minus 4, 6, 12 and calculate this one, will get x is equal to 16, 10, 26, 1 by 3 of 26 minus 10 minus 10 28 just with minus is there, that means 10 minus 16, 10 minus 16 minus 6 minus 10, 20 minus 8 12, 10 minus minus plus 4 14 and minus 25 minus 6 minus 31 and 5 12 minus 7. So this is the matrix X. So X is equal to nothing but minus 3 minus 2 minus 10 by 3 4 14 by 3 minus 31 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So this is the matrix X. Okay, this is the matrix X. Yes, similarly we had to do some more questions, so you may try to solve some more questions like find the x and y if, find x and y if find x and y if x plus y is equal to 5209, x minus y is equal to 360 minus 1, then we have to find, then first of all we added 2x is equal to, add these two matrix 538 268 0 9 minus 1 8. So x is nothing but 1 by 2 of 8808. So this is 4404 and similarly y is, subtracting these two equations we get 2y is equal to 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 6 minus 4 0 and 9 minus plus 1 10. So y is equal to 1 minus 2 0 5. So this is the value of x and y. So please try to understand. Maybe in next lecture we have to complete our revision session. Okay, so stay home and stay safe. Thank you.